Digital marketing managers are one of the highest paying non-coding roles right now. Yes, you heard that right. Companies like Amazon, Google, Meta, and even Cisco are actively hiring for this role. And the pay, it's seriously impressive. Now, you might be thinking, isn't digital marketing just like posting on Instagram? Not even close. So let's see what they actually do. A digital marketing manager doesn't just run ads. They handle paid ads, SEO, campaign strategy, lead generation, performance analytics, brand growth. They basically control how a company makes money online. If the campaign performs well, revenue goes up. That's why companies pay big. Now, let me give you a clear breakdown with exact numbers. The typical salary range is around 13.2 lakh to 14.6 lakh per year. And for professionals with 2 to 12 years of experience, here's the detailed breakdown. For 1 to 3 years, you can expect around 6.7 lakh to 7.9 lakhs per year. For 3 to 6 years, the salary goes from 9 lakhs to 9.9 lakh. And from 6 to 9 years, the salary goes from 11.9 lakhs to 13.2 lakhs per year. For 9 to 12 years of experience, you can expect around 14.4 lakhs to 15.9 lakhs per year. And for 12 plus years of experience, the salary goes in between 15.7 lakh to 19 lakh per year. And trust me, the salaries have grown 8% in the last 2 years. Now, in the United States, base salary ranges from around $66,000 to $100,000 per year. Average base pay is around $87,000 per year. But wait, that's just the base. Additional pay can go up to $43,000 on average, so total compensation can cross $130,000 plus. Top industries like IT pay around $141,000 plus median total pay. And companies like Google and Amazon can even go higher. Now, if you understand ads, analytics, funnels, branding, and growth strategy, then this is one of the highest paying non-coding careers in 2026. It offers high growth, strong demand, serious income potential, and if you want a step-by-step roadmap on how to become a digital marketing manager, check the related video in the link below. And follow for more such real salary breakdowns by Simplilearn.